Reading for sign of Pisces throughout the month of May. So what can you guys possibly expect? So what's really coming towards Pisces? What's going to be their main focus throughout the month of May? Spirit, one card, what's really coming up for Pisces people? Right now, for many of you, I see Queen of Pentacles is in the reverse. So you guys are not really taking care of yourself, okay? And that's something that you should, okay? With Queen of Pentacles in the reverse, you should be more nurturing towards yourself, towards your family, towards your kids if you have kids. But I see you not really focusing much on yourself, and you need to, okay? So let's take one shuffle and restart again. What can my dear Pisces possibly expect? Okay, right now King of Swords and Ten of Swords, some of you need to finally let go of an ending. Look at it practically, not emotionally. If you guys have gone through an ending, you need to let go of it and stop really questioning yourself why, and like possibly putting yourself through a lot, like emotionally draining yourself. So yeah, let's start. What can my dear Pisces expect throughout the month of May? So one card for their main focus. What's their main focus going to be throughout the month of May? What's their main focus going to be throughout the month of May? Spirit, one card for that. I see you being a little confused. Okay, there is a relationship that did not go well for you. Ten of Cups is in the reverse. It was a very draining and very much toxic relationship, I would say. Something that did not go somewhere, and in some which way you are still feeling the effect of it with the Tower card. Okay, you are still not letting it go. You feel like you are responsible, darling. You one-handedly are not responsible. In order for a relationship to break, both parties have a equal share in that. Okay, so you don't hold yourself responsible if you are. Okay, so yeah. With Two of Swords, you guys are not being able to make a decision yet. You are still holding on to something that you should let go of. You are not exactly learning the lessons that you should. You are still confused regarding what you need to do. Some of you are not really wanting to make a decision. You are still wanting to, hold it back there. Not really wanting to come up or not really wanting to make your mind yet. I see you not wanting to stay open to changes with Two of Swords. Okay, you are not really wanting to do much about it. Okay. So Spirit, give me one card for what's your strength going to be throughout the month of May. What's Pisces' strength going to be throughout the month of May? You guys are confused about something and you guys are not really wanting to do much about it. Okay? You guys are wanting to keep it as it is. Okay. Your strength, I feel that financially for many of you guys are not really doing well, okay? And in some which way, you guys are still keeping hope and faith that things are going to change. So that's something good, okay? If it's from the emotional point of view, someone has ghosted you, and I do not see you really wanting to, go there and wanting to, cross question them in any which way. You guys are going to hold back. If someone has ghosted you, I don't really see you taking action towards that person or wanting to go towards that person. You will be where you are, okay, and you'll wait for this person to return back to you. Okay, with Six of Swords, I see you being emotionally distant this month. Okay, so that's going to be your strength. You guys are not going to be very expressive and not going to want to express how you truly feel. Okay, so one card for the past for Pisces, one card for the past. What is going on in the past for Pisces? In the past, you were holding yourself back. You were restricting yourself from completely being open to people, choices, whatever. With Seven of Wands, I also see you wanting to prove what you believe in. Okay. With Seven of Swords, you are trying to stay away from your own feelings, wanting to run away from problems, issues. I still see that very much apparent with Two of Swords here. But with the Seven of Wands, you were not really wanting to be open to people in the past. You were kind of blocking yourself. You were trying to stay distant from people. Okay. So what's coming towards Pisces throughout the month of May? What's really coming towards Pisces throughout the month of May? One card. What's really coming towards Pisces throughout the month of May? With the Hermit card, I do not see a very much a happening month. I see you being within yourself, not really wanting to do much, going within to find answers, going within to find healing, going within to come up with a solution. I do not see you doing much throughout the month. Okay. For some of you, there might be a Virgo who's like a Virgo sign, or possibly a father figure who's trying to reconnect with you in some which way. Okay. Financially, how do we see this month going for Pisces people? Financially, how do we truly see this month going for Pisces people? I see you staying away from problems as it is. Okay. Financially, I see you being a lot practical, logical about your situation, not really wanting to stress out or get all emotional about it. I see you being very practical and straightforward, doing what you have to do in order to get where you want to get. Okay. So that being said, let's start your relationship. Your soulmate connection reading now. A lot is happening around the world. It's kind of messed up. So I hope you are meditating, keeping your energy positive as much as you can. Things are kind of messed up around the world. Let's start. So what's the overall energy going to be like between Pisces and their soulmate? What's the overall energy going to be like between Pisces and their soulmate throughout the month of May? We have the Lovers card. So in some which way, darling, you both feel the connection. You both in some which level are still connected. You feel attracted towards each other, and you know that you have a strong bond together. This could also be a very sexual, where you have a lot of chemistry together. Okay. With Queen of Cups, you also have feelings for this person, and you both feel it on a very collective level. Okay. So what's your partner's energy going to be like towards you? What's your soulmate's energy going to be like towards Pisces for the rest of the month? I see your partner trying to message you or trying to communicate with you or trying to move towards you. Spirit, please clarify the Eight of Wands for Pisces soulmates energy towards Pisces. Yeah, this person or partner is wanting to partner up with you. They are wanting to build with you. They are wanting to reconnect with you. They are wanting to message you, communicate with you, move things forward with you. They are very much wanting to rebuild with you with Three of Pentacles. They are very eager. Okay. And they are very much waiting on you. Okay. So one card for their feelings towards you. One card for their true feelings towards you at the current moment. In terms of their feelings, I see this person holding back a lot, not really expressing, but wanting to communicate. Okay, if you are asking me if they will express their feelings towards you, I do not see that much happening. Okay, but they'll rather communicate and they would want to build with you, but emotionally I still see them resisting on a very like being very straightforward about it. I don't see this person being very expressive. Okay, so how do they feel about you when they think of you, when they miss you? Like whenever they think of you, they try to stay away. They try to rethink whether they should make a move or they should not. Okay, we have the Star and Four of Swords. So they would want healing between the two of you. They would definitely want this bond or this connection to heal, to get better. But whenever they think of you, they try to hold back. They try to recollect. They try to reflect on the whole situation, whether they should communicate or whether they should not. Okay, so what can my Pisces possibly expect throughout the month of May from their person, Spirit? What can Pisces possibly expect from their person in terms of action. This person is still going to try to stay away emotionally. Okay, this person is trying to be sneaky. They will not really tell you what they are up to, so you will have to be careful about that. Okay, yeah, with Seven of Swords, this person has tendencies to not really open up about what's really happening in their life. They are definitely wanting healing, but this person will not try to open up emotionally. Neither will they let you know what's really happening in their world. They'll try to keep few things to themselves. Okay, for some of you, this person might be a air sign: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If not, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. It could also be a strong, for selected few of you, I also see a Pisces and a Sagittarius. Okay, so one card for like what's their main intention going to be towards Pisces? Pisces soulmates' main intentions towards Pisces. I don't see this person emotionally being open to you, darling. Honestly speaking, I feel they'll hold back a lot. With Seven of Swords, they'll try to stay away from their own emotions. Okay. Yeah, this person is definitely going to hold on to you, but not really do much about it. They're definitely wanting to hold on to you. Okay, in terms of intention, this person might have the tendency to keep you as in third person. Okay, if they are already into a committed relationship, chances are they will not let you know about it. They will wanna still keep you around, even if they have another connection going around. I'm just letting you know this is not going to apply to each and every one of you. On a very like a general level, on a very collective level, I feel like this person is wanting to hold on to you, but not really do much about it. Okay, so one card for their action. What action they want to take towards you now? What action does the Pisces soulmate possibly want to take towards Pisces now? Yeah, they are definitely wanting to make a move towards you, like very sexually. They do have a lot of sexual attraction. They do find you very attractive. Okay, but I on some which level feel like this connection was very draining for the both of you. With Ten of Wands here, I feel like even though the connection is very strong in terms of chemistry and this attraction that you guys have and share, I believe this connection was very draining. Okay, in the past. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward now. Where this connection possibly moving forward between Pisces and their soulmate. Where this connection possibly moving forward between Pisces and their soulmate. Yeah, I do see this person trying to reconnect with you. Okay, with Ace of Pentacles, some of you might know this person through your business, through your work life. Doesn't have to be, but I do feel on some which level that this person is definitely going to try to reconnect with you with Ace of Pentacles. I cannot really promise you that they'll offer you a commitment because we have the Ace of Pentacles here, but I definitely feel that this person is wanting to offer you something that gets you reconnecting with them. Okay, so what are they possibly wanting from you now? One card for what's the Pisces soulmate possibly wanting from Pisces right now? Yeah, they are definitely wanting to reunite with you, like physically meet you in person. They are not wanting this connection to end. They are not wanting this bond that you guys share to end, because they enjoy the bond. They are not wanting to let it go in any which way. They are wanting to reconnect with you, okay, on a very strong level. So what action are they wanting you to take towards them? One card for what action they possibly wanting Pisces to take towards them. But either way, I do see some of you like wanting to give them a solid offer, even if you guys feel like you should stay away from them. Okay, The high priestess, this person is wanting you to speak about what you were up to, or what you were doing, or why you ghosted them. They are definitely wanting to know why you tried to stay away from them, or why you were trying to stay away, or what is really happening in your mind. They are wanting to know it all with the high priestess and two of pentacles. They feel like you were juggling between them and someone else, and they are wanting to know about it. Okay, they feel like you had more than one option besides them, and they are wanting to know about it. So one card for how do they view you now? One card for how do they possibly view Pisces? How do they possibly view Pisces now? They do feel like you are a very nurturing person, or a very emotionally open person, sorry. And they know that you have feelings for them in some which way, even if you try to not show them that, they still know that you have strong feelings for them, and you are very much a very emotional and a very expressive person on a very strong note. And they still feel that you are attracted to them, but they also know that you have other options besides them, but they know that you have feelings for them. Okay, they just know it. Okay, Spirit, give me one card for what does Pisces Summer want to say to Pisces now. I will never walk away from you is one message from your partner. Okay, I need to focus on myself now. So if they were trying to stay away from you, they were trying to refocus on their own personal life. So it was nothing to do with you. I never want to stop making memories with you. Okay, so I just need some space. But they are not really wanting to stop making memories with you. They needed to stay away from you to refocus on their life. Okay, I miss you, but I think you are fine without me. So that's what they are thinking about you. They do miss you, and they are very upset that you are not trying to reconnect with them. So one card, what's the main blockage of the connection? What's really holding the connection back, Spirit? The World card, it ended. What is holding it back is one thing is it ended in the past, and one thing is you guys share a lot of distance, physically, emotionally, geographically. You guys are very away from each other. Okay, and for selected few of you, this partner could have been younger to you, or you might have been older to them. There was an age difference for some of you, so I see this being a problem. Okay, in any which way, I still feel that this connection will move forward. You guys will reconnect. Okay, I see a lot of communication coming your way, not at the very start of the month, as the month progresses, I see communication coming in. So yes, this was your reading. If you connected, darling, please do hit the like button, because every like counts. I'm grateful for all your likes so far. So yeah, please support the channel. Thank you for coming in, and see you again. Cheers, darling.